Greetings all, hope you're doing well. In this ASMR guided imagery journey, we are snorkeling in a tropical reef. Before we begin, ensure you're as comfy as possible, maybe relaxing in your favourite seat, or settling in laying down with your eyes gently closed. This is your time to relax and unwind. So without further ado, let's take a nice cleansing breath in through your nose, then out through your mouth. Allow your mind to clear and slowly begin to focus on dipping into warm tropical water. First your feet, the pressure and warmth gently building as the sensation slowly travels up both of your legs, wading deeper and deeper, the water now at your waist as you slowly feel your legs feeling lighter yet more difficult to move against a lazy tide. Take a moment to acclimatize to the new sensation, the warm water surrounding you as the seaweed tickles your calves. Tread deeper into the blue, clear, salty water. Allow your body to give in to the weightlessness feeling as the water gently surrounds your neck. Focus on the pressure around your chest as you breathe deeply, preparing yourself in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel your feet on the wet grain of the sand before taking one last step into the unknown. Water now covering you, warm, clear, cleansing water. Take a moment to adjust to the pressure, adjust your breathing and eyesight. Your body now weightless and free in the vastness of the warm sea. The sounds of the world muffled. There is nothing but the sea. Pick a direction to float towards when you venture forward to explore, perhaps downward and deeper. Adjust your eyes to the new colours. Savour the warmth surrounding you, from the way your hair gently flows with each gesture you make, to the tips of your toes as they propel you in whichever direction you've chosen. Gently start to kick to guide yourself to the blurry colours. As you get closer, focus on a school of fish, the colours getting more and more vibrant the closer you get. Flashes of yellows, whites and reds, only broken up by the thick, heavy sea. Follow the fish. How close can you get to them? Slowly reach out a hand and try to touch them. Closer and closer, the world around you melting away, so only the fish remain. Closer and closer, colours and shapes getting more and more vibrant as your body feels more and more weightless. Closer and closer, the world around you melting away, so there's only the fish remain. Closer and closer, colours and shapes getting more and more vibrant as your body feels more and more weightless. Now, focus on below you. Corals, pastel pinks and blues, texture rough and coarse. Feel the texture as you gently brush past. The hard touch only broken up by smooth, soft seaweed woven between the cracks. Small but equally colourful creatures darting from one hiding spot to another. Your body floats about the almost alien beauty of the scene. Take the next few moments to swim and explore the coral. Take note of the size and feel of everything, from the smallest pebble to the largest rock. The curl of the smooth seashell, calling themselves home to friendly creatures. All the while, your essence weightless, and free to move wherever you like. Your surroundings warm, holding you all over, almost like a thick, comfy blanket. Slowly, yet steadily, your body begins to rise towards the sun. Lighter your body gets, your world getting more and more blurry as you make your way to the surface. Higher and higher, water seeming to part way for your head and shoulder until you break the surface. I hope you've enjoyed your trip to the tropical reef. Feel free to visit whenever you wish. This has been the Mind Guide, and I hope to see you in the next video.